Equipment is becoming more complex. Deadlines are becoming increasingly shorter. The consequences of equipment downtime are ever more severe, both in lost materials and failure to meet market demands. At times like these, it is critical to complement your in-house maintenance team with the right external infrastructure and specialized support. That's why we offer a range of flexible service care plans to keep your Cytiva equipment running throughout its life cycle. Whether you're looking for basic maintenance or 24/7 support, we've got you covered. Our global network of over 1,300 service specialists, manufacturer-trained field service engineers, and predictive monitoring services are here to help. And with SiteCare, you can consolidate all your Cytiva equipment into a single, easy-to-manage contract that ensures rapid, consistent response for every Cytiva asset installed across your organization.